Adyan's world. Today my project is avoidance robot. Let's move on to the video. When both sensors detect an object, the obstacle avoidance robot stops. When left sensor detects, it moves on right direction. When right sensor detects, it moves on left direction. Likewise, it works. You can see the same in my obstacle avoidance robot. These robots are used in warehouses of many companies like Amazon, DHL, etc. This is my another project, obstacle avoidance robot. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. This is Muhammad Adyan from WIINGY Robotics. Bye bye.